Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It's Syed Sani Asnain with Sani's online academy of national and international languages. Today I'm very happy and super excited to announce that finally I'm starting my new language series with name by Exhaustive French course. It's about French, yes. So in this series, we'll learn the basic French that will be very helpful for you during traveling to France for educational aims, for business aims, for just traveling for any other aims. Basically, French is easy, yes, and I'll make it possible, but the pronunciations are very difficult because the French is not pronunciated as it written. Basically, it have alphabets like alphabets in English, but the pronunciations of French alphabets are different from the pronunciations of English. So I'm gonna teach you the basic French in 14 lessons, 14 parts, or 14 episodes, whatever you tell about that. So in every lesson, in every episode, I will teach you the different things about basic French. Like in first lesson we learn greetings, in second we learn numbers and alphabets and colors, days, months, animals, and other things. But just now in this lesson we learn greetings in French, like hello, how are you. So before the starting of this lesson, I'm gonna tell you that the French is not easier, not most easier. It's easier and I'll make it possible, but the pronunciations are different from the written French. So again, I'm warning you to listen the lesson very carefully and listen the pronunciations with full of attention, with full of consideration. That's the way you will be genius in French. So let's get started. So the first one from the greetings of French language is hello. It's written as bonjour, bonjour, but it pronunciated very differently, like we pronunciated bonjour, bonjour. Listen it very carefully, bonjour, bonjour. And the second one is how are you? How are you in French is comment vas-tu, comment vas-tu. And the third one in French, I'm fine, is je vais bien, je vais bien. And the fourth one is what is your name? In French we say comment tu t'appelles, comment tu t'appelles, comment tu t'appelles. And the fifth one from French, my name is Sani, and any other name you have, we say je m'appelle. It means my name is, and I use their my name Sani, so we say je m'appelle Sani, je m'appelle Sani. And the sixth one from greetings is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in French is enchanté, enchanté. And the seventh one from greetings is see you. In French we say à bientôt, à bientôt, à bientôt. So finally we have completed our French greetings. So we will meet soon in my next video, in the next lesson about Exhaustive French course. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye.